Hi guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. Alright, so this morning, I'm going to be making some cornbread for y'all. Alright, it's usually it's a side item in most restaurants. In Boston Market, they have it as a side item, cornbread loaf. You can put toppings in it if you want. You can chop up jalapeno peppers and make a spicy cornbread, or you could put candy in your chocolate inside your cornbread and make like a semi-sweet chocolate morsel cornbread. But today I'm just going to be making regular old-fashioned cornbread using defeat, okay, that I got from the store. And what I'm going to put on top of it once it's done in the oven is I'm going to put some butter. That's the other ingredient. Also, to mix the batter, the cornbread batter, you're going to need egg, and you're also going to need milk, okay? You're going to need exactly 1/3 cup of milk, 1 egg, and a whole package of the cornbread contents in order to make 1 casserole dish. Okay, so it says that there are 3 servings per container. Okay, 3 servings per container. So basically, that's 3 servings per container. So you have, and I'll read you some of the nutrition facts because you could make the 1/2 cup mix, or you can make the whole baked portion mix. The whole baked portion mix is what we're going to make today, and that has 360 calories in it. It has 12 grams of saturated fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, 12 grams of fat, 70 milligrams of cholesterol, 730 milligrams of sodium, carbohydrates 57 grams, fiber 2 grams, and protein 7 grams. Alright, let's get the mixing now. So I'm going to open up the contents. Open up the package. Okay. And I'm going to pour it into the mixing bowl. Pouring all of it into the mixing bowl. Alright? It's going to look like that. Alright? Now, I got the oven preheated to 400. I'm going to put the egg in. Putting the egg in. Okay? Then 1/3 cup of milk. That's what it's called for. 1/3 cup of milk. Heaping tablespoon of 1/3 cup of milk. Okay? Next, I'm going to begin to mix it. Okay, you want to get all the clumps out. That's the main objective. While you're mixing it, get the clumps out of it. And it's best to mix the spiral. And the spiral the method of mixing is best in spiral type manner, like I'm doing. And then you can fold, overlap, fold, overlap. See? Fold in, fold out, fold it in, fold it out, fold in, fold out, and then mix. Keep on mixing until all those clumps are out. So next, I'm going to take some butter. I'm going to butter the casserole dish so it doesn't stick. Because we don't want our cornbread to stick to the casserole dish. That's why I'm going to put some butter on it so it won't stick. Okay? After that, we're going to pour it in. Pouring it in. Okay? And then after that, I'm gonna flatten it out. Flattening out the cornbread, people. Alright, people. Stick with me. Alright. Now, it doesn't really need any additional seasonings at all. It's ready to go in the oven. And I'm gonna throw it in the oven as is. Just like that. Alright? On 400 degrees. In the middle rack. I'm gonna time it for 10 minutes. Alright? And we'll be back after these messages. So, as you can see, it's pulled out, the cornbread is pulled out the oven. And yes, it is brown. So the first thing you gotta do to make sure that it's cooked is you gotta poke a hole in it. Okay? And when you look at the knife or the fork, if it has like egg in it or it's liquidy, then it's not done. But I'm gonna firmly press on it, and I can feel that it bounces back. That means it's done. So I'm gonna serve a portion to myself right now. I'm gonna slice off a slice of this cornbread and serve myself. Now I'll show you exactly what you're supposed to do after you put it on a plate. We'll put one like that. Okay, looks good. I think I'll slice one more piece. Okay. Put another one on, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Alright. So this is what the cornbread should look like, okay? After it comes out the oven. Firm, you touch it, and it should bounce back and be firm. Alright. I'll show you what the insides look like. The inside should look like that. Nice and fluffy. See, fluffy. Okay. So the way to serve this, take a stick of butter. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'll put one half of the butter on top, the other half on the bottom part, on the second piece. And voila. Voila. You've got yourself cornbread, you've got yourself magical cornbread, okay? Magically delicious cornbread. I'll do a taste test with you, just to see how it came out. Very delicious. Okay. Well, that's our episode. Adios, and stay cooking.